Let's say you're inside your network admin domain and you're trying to do a little bit of troubleshooting. One of the things I want to show you today is a quick Windows troubleshooting tool you can use on other platforms as well. But inside Windows, if you get to a command prompt, which I have launched one here, you can use a troubleshooting tool called ping. If you go back to the beginnings of it, you might talk to somebody and say, well, ping, what does it stand for? Well, again, depending on who you talk to, packet internet groper, ping, or if you think back like to submarine type talk where you can, one submarine sends out a ping to get an echo back to find out, hey, is there a target over there? So it's the same kind of idea where I want to know from my machine, am I getting across my network to some remote destination? So I type ping, and in fact, as is common with most Windows commands, you can do a / or switch and look at your options. And there are various options here. We're just going to go with, right now, just to verify that I'm getting all the way across. And I'll pick a target that I know responds to pings. In this case, I'll use Google. So ping google.com. So you have a user call you up, I can't get to the internet, the whole internet's down, I can't get to Google. He's like, well, I'm going to run over to my cube because I'm in the same network as the other users. Let's see. It's like, no, it's not the network. I'm pinging Google, so there's clearly something wrong over there with that user's equipment, or that user, depending. So this is just a quick, like I say, rundown of one of these tools you can use to resolve whether or not you do really have an issue on your network. Going back to the choices, the various options or flags that you can set. One of them, if you'll notice here, let me kind of do this so I can indicate. I have account. Now, I can choose how many I want, which again, the Windows default is 5. What if I just, if you're a Mac user, you might think, well, when I type ping in a Mac, it just keeps going until I stop it. Well, what if I want kind of a similar behavior in my Windows box? I want to start a continuous ping so that I can see if there's any drops. Maybe I'm doing other stuff and I want to look back and see, what's that ping doing? Well, again, one of the choices is -T. And if you look up at the top here, I have -T. Ping until we pass out. Well, it does exactly say that, but you get the idea. So let's try that. Let's go down to the bottom here, and I'm going to do a ping and -T. And I'll do, I don't know, New York Times, nytimes.com. I'm just picking a website. They're responding. And in this case, like I say, normally Windows will shoot out 5 pings and get 5 replies when things are working well. In this case, notice it's just going to keep going and going and going. Once I've done whatever other troubleshooting steps I wanted to do, like I say, I could be working over here, look back, oh, my pings are still going. I can look there in the this column here. How long are my times for this ping to succeed? 30. And notice that you like to see a good, fairly similar, or in this case, exactly the same number. That means things are consistent and steady. You don't have variations in your network. Once I'm finally done, Control-C kills it. And I even get a nice printout of my results that I sent 43 packets. I received 43 packets. I didn't lose any of them. So in this case, my troubleshooting steps have verified my skills as a network admin. My network is working correctly.